अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ज़ोया मशप्रुक्त। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। मैं भी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह के करम से ठीक हूँ। आज जिस वीडियो पे मैं रिएक्ट करने वाला हूँ उसका टाइटल है 6th जेन फाइटर ऑफर रोल्स रॉयस एमका इंजन, जो कि ये जो वीडियो है ये इंडियन डिफेंस अपडेट वालों की वीडियो है। बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त किस्म का कंटेंट अपलोड करते हैं ये। और ये जो इसका लिंक आपको वीडियो का और इनके चैनल का लिंक जो है आपको मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप जाके विज़िट कर सकते हैं। तो ये कुछ फाइटर जेट जो है इन पे डेवलपमेंट हो रही है, तो देखते हैं। और इनके कुछ मैदे हो रहे हैं आई थिंक दोस्त के साथ। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को और देखते हैं क्या न्यूज़ है। स्टार्ट।
Indian Navy's fast attack craft INS Kabra has arrived at Colombo port and handed over essential spares and stores meant for the Sri Lankan Navy and Sri Lankan Air Force.
Okay.
Israel has pitched to promote tourism in Lakshadweep Islands and has announced that it is ready to start the desalination program in the islands. The older Jaguar DRDO and DRDO squadrons will be the first to be replaced with the additional 97 Tejas Mark-1A jets that are slated for induction from 2028 onwards. Kalyani Strategic Systems has completed the acquisition of majority stake in the Ukrainian firm Zorya Mashproekt, which positions India to overcome supply chain disruptions and build indigenous capabilities for vital gas turbine engines. DRDO has released a request for proposal for the identification of development-cum-production partner for smart anti-airfield weapon Mark2. DRDO has issued an expression of interest seeking a development-cum-production partner for the mission system for 6 upgraded Netra Mark-1A program. Indian Army is procuring 2,500 thermal imager-based driver night sight for BMP-2 vehicles. Indian Coast Guard and Steel Authority of India have signed a memorandum of understanding for the supply of indigenous marine-grade steel.
अच्छा, ये इनकी काफ़ी डेवलपमेंट कर चुके हैं ये।
During the upcoming meeting of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and his British counterpart, British officials will brief the Indian delegation on the joint development of 110 kilonewton engine, as well as Tempest 6th generation fighter jet. UK, Italy and Japan have already solidified their commitment to join the Tempest program, and all the foreign partners have shown interest that India should be a part of it. Rolls-Royce has promised to deliver a fully operational engine with full technology transfer and intellectual property rights transfer within 10 years that will expedite the AMCA program. British firm Rolls-Royce has announced that it has proposed to co-develop a clean slate new engine for India's AMCA program that will outpace existing 5th-generation fighter engines. Unlike the American General Electric, the British government has already received export license from the UK government for the engine technology transfer to India with intellectual property rights. Rolls-Royce has also offered export rights for the engine that will allow India to tap into the global market. Hyderabad-based Vipa Armor India Private Limited and DRDO's Armament Research and Development Establishment have unveiled the first operational prototype of their 7.62 by 51 mm caliber rifle named Ugram. The rifle was designed based on the General Staff qualitative requirements of the Indian Army. It weighs less than 4 kilograms and has an effective range of 500 meters. The configuration of the rifle is comparable to the latest AK and AR type rifles, and it will soon start internal tests, followed by acceptance trials with 15 rifles. Today's top 3 comments.
गाइस, वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक अपना और अपनी फैमिली का ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।